What's up, people? This is Mr. Cosmic, the Cosmic Training Academy, September the 15th. Well, actually, the 14th, my fault. Should be Thursday, the 14th, something like that. Tomorrow's Friday, 2023. Um, Yesterday, I placed 2 calls options. One of them closed, and as you can see, changed this buying power on this account to 577. And then now we still got one that's rolling. Pay attention to what's happening here. This is what happened after the trade. I got in at 500. It shot up and it closed. I put a stop order trade on there. So that's that. So let's back up. Let's go to the trade that we're at, which is right here. So I still have that one buy right there. I put it in SPY call at 447 $447.50 call. It's in the money right now because that means it's above 447. I paid $500 for it. Now it's at 568, which means I'm at a $68 profit. Okay, so let's go into that trade. Now you can see it. It's at a 67.68. You can see it moving. You come down here. This is how you see where the profit is at on buying call. There it is. This is how much it cost me. This one contract. Current price is 568. Market value or 572. So it went up. It says $72, $77. What I'll probably do is put in the stop limit order to $85. Guys. So listen, let's go ahead and, as you can see, my total return for the day is here, and the total return for this trade is $81. So the key right now, guys, is, I believe SPY gonna keep rolling, but I'm not gonna allow it to get away from me or to back up out of here and lose all my profits. Live to trade another day, guys. Be smart. Don't be silly. Don't be stupid, and don't be greedy. This is what I say is good to stack your trades, because when you stack your trades, you can let one run. And I always say that, but I don't know if I get a chance to really video it. So this is an example of letting one of the trades run. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to go in here and do is put in a trade to close this trade. I'm going to sell it. Put in the order. See, it's at 587. I'm going to let this trade run, see if I can, good to cancel. I'll put a stop limit order. I'm not going to let it get away from me past 575. That's 584. Man, this trade could go, this is going crazy. I'm going to protect it, though, and put it at, it's interesting, and put it at 575. It might back out to 575, but remember, I'm prepared to close it at 575 and not take no losses. $75 is good. And then I'll put, the way it's moving kind of crazy, so I'll put this at 650 just in case. Well, $100 off the trade wouldn't be bad. Like I said, don't be crazy, don't be greedy. Maybe 610. I really shouldn't be guessing. I should just go back there and look. I think it was 610 when I looked at the last jump. Really the height was at 900 at almost $1,000 trade. So really somewhere in the middle would be 700. If you shoot lower than that, it could be probably 650. So probably put 650. I think it'll hit 575 before it hits 650, but hey, why not make $150? Remember, I got in at 500. Not enough options. Oh, I already have one in. Let's go back. $86. Oh, okay. I have it pending right here. I'm not gonna put a stop price at 550 or replace this order. I got it in 555. I'm taking it up to 575, and then I'm putting this at 650. Not gonna go any lower. So it's gonna probably close here, guys, and I just give it a second. As you just watch the price point right there. um, I'm gonna try to hold on, try to keep this video rolling until we figure out what we're gonna do as far as closing. For 578. And a lot of traders would be like, "Why crazy? Let that run, let that run." Listen, man. Anytime you're trading this kind of number, and it meant, see, you had to understand $500. If you make $50 on $500, you just made a 10% profit. So that means for every $100, I'm making $10. Right? I don't know what bank account you're gonna get that where you make $10 off your $100 in a day. You know what I'm saying? So it just don't really happen. So it just can't happen. There are no bank accounts that do that right now that I'm aware of. I've never heard if it was, everybody be putting their money in that bank. So just think about, you got to consider that I put this trade on yesterday. One I've already sold with I think it was 60 something dollar profit. The other one is still running. Right now we're at $88 in profit. So just keep that in consideration. Keep that in mind. So altogether, you can see, I put this account last week at 1,000. Well, I guess you want to say at the beginning of the week at 1,000. And so now, as you can see, this is what it's doing. I just put on the trade yesterday for 2 trades. Each of them is 2 trades. Each of them 500. It's $1,000 completely. So, and one day, today is at 168, and it's ready to get out. A lot of people, 168 ain't no money. Well, I mean, scale it then. If this was a $10,000 account, then that'd be $1,163. So just look at it like that. You can put your numbers to wherever you want to put your number, depending on how big your bag is. So to me, that's just the way. It's just the way we roll right here. I ain't tripping about nothing. 588. It looked like it want to freeze at 588. So I'm glad. That's why I'm glad I put a good stop in at 575, and to take it, to close it at either 575 and stop limit order. That means I'm protecting it on both ends. If it gets to a certain height, it's going to close, and if it drops to a certain low, that's what a stop limit order is. It's to stop it when it goes to low, and it's the limit when it goes high enough. Both of them are to trigger a trade. Okay, 595, guys. All right, that's $100 damn near. And I really wish that I could put a trailing stop on this, because that means it will follow it on up. But trailing stops can be really frustrating because they'll go down and hit your stop and then keep going up, and you miss all that. But like they say, you can't go broke making a profit. So as long as you keep getting paid, you're good. Let's look at it. I'm about to bring that trade up to from 575 to 585. Let me go find the trade. Let me go find my position. Yeah. Crazy. 595. So you can see where we're at. Trying to see where my order is at. It looks like, one contract available. I don't know. I guess something happened. Maybe did it cancel that order? Okay. Well, anyway, I'm glad I double checked that here. I'm about to put it at 585. Honestly, guys, I ain't tripping. I thought I put it 650. This is strange. I can't find the order. Why put it at 650 when you can put it at 700? Don't matter. I'm not even worried about it now. Oh yeah, I guess it just canceled the other and didn't replace it. Very strange. Now let's see if we can find it. Something. There it is. Place the contract. Let me make sure I got this right. Limit price is 700. That's it. Stop price at 585. Okay. There we go. Well, at least it looks to be right. Sometimes this thing, man, I swear. Uh-oh. If it goes down to $85, probably trigger a stop. 88. Keep an eye on this number right here. If you go down to 85, because I put it at 585, that order is at 585. At a minimum, we taking $85 profit. Right now, it's set to 700. To take it at 700 at the top, $85 at $585 at the bottom, $700 at the top. We'll see. I mean, I could take it at $90 too, but like I'm saying, I'm giving the trade breathing room. Right now we up 18%. You can see there's no cap, man. There is no cap. Today's return is 135. And literally, man, I had already set one trade and one way out, so one closed before I even woke up and saw it, and the other one was far out, so, and it was just protected. So, and this is just following it up and just tightening up the trade. I see that it's going higher, so I just tightened it up and shit. Put it at 585 instead of where it was before. So it looks like it want to start freezing a little bit. Well, let's just watch it. Let's see how it behaves. I think I'm going to hold the video going this time, man. We're going to see what happens, man. So if you look at the week on a trade, and don't worry, I'm not going to get too far. Just watch this number. That's what's going to let you know what we're doing. Remember, I bought it at 500. Right now it's at 593, 95, whatever. Remember, I put in the close trade at 585. So minimum, we're going to lock it out at 585, which would be an $85 profit on this one trade. The top, if it just shot up, it'd be, I put it at 700. So as you can see, September 12th, 600 was where it was at. If I really want to kind of be conservative about this trade, I'd put it at somewhere around here, 615. Figuring that this might roll to about 615. Because that's where it's been before. That's where it bounced off before. You can see on a high. Yeah, when it passed 580 the last time, it went to around 615. What's this? 593 on this one. Pulled back up to 615, something like that. Pulled down. So really, the way I'm looking at it, it'll probably pull back when it gets to around 6 something. So, When it gets to we're not gonna take no chance of no real hard falls, man. I'm gonna back it all the way. If it once it crossed the 600 roll, I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring that trade in a little bit tighter, from 585 to 595. Once it gets to like 605, I'm following it up, man. I mean, typically, if you're on another broker, you probably do a um, a trailing stop. But I'm not aware if there's a trailing stop on this broker. So 596, guys. I mean, I could close it at make $96 right now. What would you do? Leave a comment below. Remember, I put this trade on yesterday. This trade cost me $500. I'm at $595. Would you close it out right now, or would you just keep holding? You got diamond hands. What you got? Or whether you have diamond hands or not, looking at the history, what would you do? This is the range that's been in the month, and when it got out of that range for a little while, it did this move right here. So you got all of this right here. It could go from here on up to about right there. So just think about that. Yeah, 592. Ready for a little pullback. Let's see if it's going to go all the way back to 585. This is where we test it. And another thing, always be ready to watch a trade like this, because the thing about it is, I mean, you don't have to, but the thing about it is, this could go bad anytime, and you don't know. Now we have 600. Let's go. All right, now this is where I told you I'm going to come tighten this trade up, because it's going to be ready to pull back in a minute. And when it pull back, we want to get as much of that profit as possible. So right now we got it at 580. We got it at 585. I want to put the trade. I want to tighten this trade up and replace the order before it bounced down real low. We'll put it at 590, 5.90, and then put this one at 700, 7.100, and then let's go. Okay, stop price 585. That's the one I canceled. Okay. All right. So, all right. Hate when it do that stuff. See how I hate when it does that. All right. Let's go back to the trade. Let's see what we doing, man. Like they say, where we at? 605s. What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna keep going or what? Make sure I got my trade in. Always double check to make sure your trade is in. We had 105 in profit. Where's my trade? Okay, there's my history placed. You can see where my order is placed. Just you got to make sure your order is placed, man. You see that? So you go in there and just double check it. Make sure it's right. Limit price 700. Stop price at 590. Pay attention to what's going on, because, man, you don't want to lose your profit. So 590. There it is. Quick little $100. We're just chilling out, man. Just eating a little food and stuff, waking up, eat a little breakfast, drink your coffee and make, $100 before, or you might be sitting at your desk right now this morning. And, you might wanna have this trade on and make you $100 while you're sitting at your desk this morning working. So again, trading affords you an opportunity to do all of that. You know, once it gets to 610, I'm tightening the trade right back up. I'm not gonna bring it too close because I know it likes to swing at this point. $10 swings, so 5.99. Let's see if it bounces back. I put it. Remember, I put it at 5.90. So I'm giving it $10 breathing room so that we don't get closed out too quickly. So, but once it gets to past 610, I'm bringing it into 600, which makes me at $100 profit in 24 hours on that. So right now I'm prepared to take it however this want to go. Again, guys, right now we're trading the SPY, and one of the best things to trade because it's volatility. It's implied volatility, means it's profitable. Its volume means that you can get in and out of the trade easily. So you see implied that IV is at 9%. That ain't really that. That's interesting. Oh no, this is for this particular. This for this position. Yeah. But overall, SPY. Let's go to SPY. Let's show you what it does. Okay, that's better. So this is SPY. And let's look at it, guys. And I ain't going to hold your time. Respect your time. I hate shutting the video off early before you guys can see what's going on. That's why I'm trying to hold this trade. Hold the video for this. So take a look. This is why SPY is so powerful. 22 million in volume. You see what I'm saying? 22 million in volume. Don't forget it's an ETF, so you still can make money off of it on that end. Average volume 64 million. Overnight volume is 90,000. So this is where it makes SPY such a formidable ETF to trade, because number one, it has 500 stocks, and you can see what it's trading, what the different industries: energy, real estate. Understand that it's touching everything: technology, financial services, communication, utilities, basic materials, healthcare, consumers. You see energy, you see real estate, you see all of these things. So like some people are like, oh, I want to get in real estate, I'm about to flip houses. Listen, I already been there, done that, man. And be honest with you, man, unless you just love the actual action of doing that and dealing with people and contractors and the ups and downs and fighting and insurance and blah 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 blah. If you rather do that, I understand how it is being an entrepreneur and just loving the process of something. So sometimes it's fun just to do that, and that's part of your life, and you enjoy that. So if that's what you let it do, groovy, man. If you're the type of person that don't want to have to deal with people and people's bullshit and the headaches and the ups and downs and all of that shit, and you just want to invest in real estate, well, why not invest in a real estate REIT? Better yet, why not invest in SPY, who already invests in real estate? Say, for instance, you want to invest in technology. Why not invest in SPY, who already invests 28% in technology, 13%, 10% in consumer goods, 12% in financial services. You see what I'm saying? Utilities, 2%. So this is what makes SPY so freaking powerful, man. How are we looking, guys, on this trade? Let's go see. 607. Are we stalling out on that? I told you when I say I'm going to tighten it up, I'm tightening it up at 610. We're not playing no games, guys. Listen, I told you I'm going to hold this trade I'm going to hold the video this time until we close it. Because I want y'all to see, man, real live trading. And don't get me wrong. Some people like to demonstrate $1,000. That's not what I do right now. Right now, I practice trading small accounts, $1,000. Here at Cozmik Trading Academy, and not to mention, we also have a little trading that we started. The investment club. So You guys can always send us a deposit, send us an email, become a member of the club, paying out monthly. No guarantees on nothing. As you can see, the market could do anything. Some people, be careful if anybody's guaranteeing you anything. Can't guarantee anything. All you can do is guarantee that we trade the best we can, and you get to see these trades, and they're all recorded. So that's the thing about the club, is that we're doing trades, and when the money is in the club, you get to see how much we make. What we do is divide it by the members, the number of members in the club. We got a silver, gold, and the Cozmik level, and so therefore, basically, in the club, however members we have in that club and on that level at that time, they divide the profit. That profit is sent the same avenue by which you sent it to us. So we do have PayPal, we got Cash App, and all of that stuff. Just look us up, Cosmic Trading Academy, or send us an email and we'll send you the link. Cosmic Trading Academy at gmail.com. Cosmic Training Academy at gmail.com. Send us an email, we'll send you a link, we'll send you a QR code or whatever to send the money, and then you can come over here and you can see what we're doing. Look at this club right here. This one's at 63. So, you can see what we're doing. And so there's no cap. We don't have to, man. I mean, there it is. Cosmic Training Academy 63 on this club. We're just building these clubs up. And and at the end, just at every end of every month, you get a share in the profit that's made up. So that we make. So each member gets a piece. And then if you decide you need to pull out your money, basically it's divided by the total amount of members that's in the club, and you divided that up, and that's your share. Doesn't matter. So we keep it real neat, and we don't only gonna allow approximately 99 members in each club. We don't cross the hundred threshold. So we keep it at 99 members, 100 members, including ourselves, because we members on each one. Members, 2% administrative fee, 20% on profit goes to CTA. As administrative fees, holding, doing all the trades, doing all of the things. Plus, we got to pay when we send money. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, I mean, hey, if you just want to have some fun, I think so. It's going to be $1,000 for the silver membership, $5,000 for the gold, $10,000 for Cosmic level. So, like I said, man, it's no cap. This is just a smooth little, fun little activity. If you got $1,000 and you want to see put to work, consider joining the club, and just watch it every day. You can come see what we're doing, and you can see this number grow. These numbers grow. Okay, let's go back to our trade and let's see what is transpiring here. Okay. Oh, 616. What I told you I'm gonna do is 16. I told you I'm tightening that trade up. Where we at? 116 in profit. Let's tighten it up. That's not. See, this is what we do, man. This is what we do. So right now I got a stop price at 590, and a limit price is 700. I'm about to tighten this up to 600, and put that at probably. I might leave that at. I might put that up a little bit higher too. But anyway, let's replace the order. I'm going to put this at 600. And I'm going to put this at 700. I'm going to keep it at 700. It's cool. I mean, it could shoot up and go crazy. But 700. If it popped up to 700, I'd be happy anyway. So right now, the club will be at a $100 profit on this trade. Let's take it. Go up there. Placed. Done. Okay, go back. Double check it. We see it's placed. Make sure you check your trade. Stop price move to 600. You can see it right there.
And then limit price is 700. Okay, right now it's between bid and ask between about 615 right now. So it's what we do, man. It's what we do. When it gets to 620, I'm gonna drag it up to 610. I'm telling you, we're gonna look at the. I'm telling you today we're not playing games with them. We're gonna go ahead. SPY is having a little slight run, so let your winners run, y'all. Let your winners run. Let your winners run. 618, like I said, I'm bring it to 610. There we go. What did I told you? What did I tell you? 650. You got to be careful. See how that fall back, that real flip back real fast? All right, so guys, here we go. I'm coming in. I'm going to go back to this trade and hurry up and do this real fast before we get any tricky business. 610, because it will try to go past you. 610. Uh-oh. And then 700. We might get shut out because it's trying to do a real hard pullback. Might close on me. Didn't. Okay. Where we at, y'all? Not this one. This one. Check our price. What did I say? Always check your trade. 610 stop price, limit price 700. Okay. We know it's in. No question. Let's go back. 613, we're pulling down. It looks like it's about, see, when you start seeing this momentum, that's an indicator right there. We're probably going to end up closing out at 610. There go your 612, guys. 611. Let's see what they do. 610. It should be giving us a close. And if it doesn't, guys, be honest with you, I'm gonna go in and close it myself. Because I don't even play games with them like that. We're not gonna. Yeah. See that? Okay. So sometimes that's why I say it's good to watch it, because see, it should have closed as soon as it hit 610, because that's what we have on our trade. 610. That's why I say sometimes you really gotta watch these brokers, man. You really gotta watch 606. I'm finna close it, guys. 605. I'm gonna close it because I don't see that. When I see that, oh, where's my history? Order cancel before this thing try to get away from me. Sell it. I'm gone. That's good enough for me. Want to act tricky at 607. Where is it at? 605. I'm putting this 604. And let's get going. That's $104 profit. See how they play you? Got it. Now everybody wanna. There it is. Minimum credit 603. We closed, guys. 603 on 500. And trust me, it's about to take off even higher. I'm just not going to put in another trade for the day. That's going to be it. So that's it, guys. I mean, I, listen, man. I mean, you let the numbers show themselves. You know, you let the numbers show themselves. I mean, you know, this is what it is, guys. We don't have any trades open. Well, something's interesting. Mm. So that's it, guys. Hey, Cosmic Trading Academy, we trade, travel, and trade, man. We see y'all on the other side, man. September, it's 14th, I think, Thursday. Y'all have a great day, man. See y'all tomorrow. If we if we video tomorrow. And like I said, Cosmic Training Academy at gmail.com. Go to our Instagram, send us a message. Go to Facebook, send us a message, whatever. Again, join the club. Silver level 1,000, gold 5,000, Cosmic 10 grand. Let's get this money, man. 2023. It's not over yet, man. Later.